Ladies and gentlemen, you have no idea how good it makes me feel to be here today. It is truly an honor to risk my life before you. An honor. Before I jump my motorcycle over these 19 cars, and I want you to note, there's not a Volkswagen or a Datsun in the road. Before I sail cleanly over that last truck, I want to tell you that last night a kid came up to me, and he said, Mr. Knievel, I think you're crazy. That jump you're going to try is impossible. But I already have my tickets because I want to see you splatter. That's right. That's what he said. And I told that boy last night that nothing is impossible. Now, they told Columbus to sail across the ocean was impossible. They told the settlers to live in a wild land was impossible. They told the Wright brothers to fly was impossible, and they probably told Neil Armstrong to walk on the moon was impossible. They tell Evel Knievel to jump a motorcycle across the Grand Canyon is impossible, and they say that every day. A Roman general in the time of Caesar had the motto, if it is possible, it is done. If it is impossible, it will be done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what I live by. The only thing that can get in my way is fear, and fear's not a word in my vocabulary. I have not and never will know what that word means. Now, there's no trick to jumping a motorcycle over 19 cars and a couple of trucks. You just hit the ramp at 80 or better, you sail up in the air, you take those bars in your hands, and you will that bike across, and you land smooth and pretty because that's what you said you'd do. And a man, well, a man does not go back on his word because it is part of the tradition and heritage of this country that the words fear and impossible do not exist. I wish to once more say that you have no idea how good it makes me feel to be here. It is truly an honor.